Hello, so I'm here with the new BDPS560 Blu-Ray player, and I'm actually going to show you a demo of the initial setup that you have to do when you buy this player and plug it in for the first time, everything that you need to do. And this will actually be the same for not only the BDPS560, but also our higher-end S760 model as well. So you'd follow the same steps in terms of setting it up for the first time. And I'm going to show you how to actually set this up to connect to your Wi-Fi network so you can take advantage of all the cool new features that you can get with bonus content through BD Live, and also a second video showing you how to actually set your Blu-ray player up to be a DLNA server. So when you turn it on, you're going to select your language first. Here now it's going to go through the setup to ensure what type of cables you have connected. I've set my unit up with an HDMI cable going right to my Bravia. It detects that I've had an HDMI cable. I'm going to select HDMI. Now it's automatically going to determine what's the best resolution to set my Blu-ray player up with my TV. Now I have a 1080p Bravia here, so it will detect that I have a resolution of 1920 by 1080, and it sets itself, as you can see, for a 1080p resolution. Moving on to the next step, now it's going to default itself to 1080. Yes, I will say yes, this is the video format that I do want to select. And now it's going to ask me about setting up my internet connection. And with this is definitely something I do want to take advantage of, because I want to be able to use that great Wi-Fi feature that's built into the 560 and 760. So I'm going to select Allow. Here also, it's going to be activating my quick startup time. One of the best features of the Sony Blu-ray players is that we have a 6-second startup time. So by turning it on, you'll be able to take advantage of that awesome response time of being able to watch a movie and have your Blu-ray player on within 6 seconds. So now it's complete. And you can see now I'm going to be brought to the beautiful cross-media bar screen. And the first thing that I want to do now is actually go in and set up my internet connection. So I'm going to move down to Setup and move down all the way to Network Settings. And we're going to go through the setup of actually setting up the unit for the first time to connect to your Wi-Fi. So here, it's trying to look to see if I have a wired connection, but I don't. I want to actually set up with wireless. So here I have the option of being able to set up either wired or wireless. Now, to get the best performance, definitely a wired connection is going to give you that. But if you're in a situation where you don't have an Ethernet cable close to your home theater setup, this is the beauty of this unit, is that you can connect wirelessly. So we're going to select the wireless option. I'm going to look to automatically register. So it's going to scan to see which points I do have. So now it's going to be searching to see if there's an open Wi-Fi zone or a protected one. Now the Wi-Fi light has turned on the front of my Blu-ray player. It's a green light that says WLAN. That now means that it's connected. So we're going to connect here to my Wi-Fi network. Select what kind of security that you have. Mine is a secure network, so I'm going to go in and go through my password process. So now I'm going to enter my key. So after entering my security password, I'm going to actually hit enter. It's going to bring me to the next screen. I'm going to move to the next one, and now it's going to automatically look to see to obtain an IP address. Now, depending on your setup, most of the time you're going to use an auto acquisition, but if you do have a hidden network or something along those lines, you do have the option of being able to manually enter it as well. 95% of the time you should be able to use auto acquisition. Again, leave everything on auto and just continue on using your Blu-ray player remote and move to the next step. Not use. And then this is for the network diagnostics. Again, this will be something that you'll need if you have an issue with your network. Now you can see here it's automatically obtained my IP. It's got all of my pieces put in, and now I can actually click finish, and now it's actually set up. So it's as simple as that. And every time you turn your Blu-ray player on, now it's set up. And every time you actually turn it on, you'll know that it's connected to your Wi-Fi network by that green light in the front panel turns on and says WLAN. So that's setting up your BDPS560 and 760 with the Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can take advantage of streaming pictures from your DLNA computer to your Blu-ray player, or now you can take advantage of that great bonus content through BD Live. So thank you for spending some time with us today, and watch our other video of the unboxing of the 360 or our 560 Blu-ray player, and our next video that we're going to do that showcases how to set up your Blu-ray player to be able to stream photos from your computer using DLNA. So thanks for watching.